Okay, so can you tell me the steps involved in bank reconciliation process?
Firstly, we got a bank statement from bank. Then we open our entries, whatever software we use.
Mm-hmm.
We use like we use Oracle ERP.
Mm-hmm.
Then we uh, open our books, our record. Then we match the entries with bank statement, payment entries,
Okay.
and receipt entries.
Okay.
That is called bank reconciliation. And sometimes we didn't get any entry, we rectify the entry, and otherwise sometimes we uh, find mistakes in from bank side, like
Okay.
wrong name entry. Then we will
Okay.
rectify entry from bank side.
Okay. No issue. So, do you know what is charts of account?
Yes, sir.
What is it?
Charts of account. Yes, sir.
What is charts of account?
Charts of accounts is general list of accounts of the general ledger of the account. Gen, Charts of account is a list of accounts of general ledger.
Okay. Can you tell me three difference between reserves and provision?
Yes, sir. Reserves are not mandatory for company. Provisions are mandatory for company organization by from uh, law. And the reserves are created when the business are profitable, and provisions are created against fixed assets. Provisions
Okay. Only
against fixed
against fixed
assets.
assets?
No, sir. Provisions are created against. I don't know, sir.
Okay. Do you know what is accounts payable?
Yes, sir.
What is it?
Accounts payable are outstanding amount. Accounts payable are like outstanding amount. I didn't remember. I
No
think
issue.
accounts payable are amount with when will be our liability.
Okay. And what is accounts receivable then?
Accounts risk,
Mm-hmm.
accounts receivable is our assets like our assets,
Okay. So accounts receivable is a current asset or a long-term asset?
current assets.
Okay. And what is a current asset then?
The current assets are like. So do you ask about the current assets example?
No, not example. How do you say this asset is a current asset or this asset is a long-term asset? On what basis?
The current assets are like liquidity assets.
Okay. And
Long term
when
assets
you
are.
will say a asset is a liquidity asset?
So we convert into uh, within a year. We convert into amount money within a year.
Okay. Okay. So how much would you rate yourself in Excel out of 10?
Four, 4 to 5.
4 to 5. What are the functions you use in Excel?
So like we look up, H look up, if, and transformation of copy paste, like transform transform, yes sir. Many other
Transpose.
functions. Yes sir. Transpose.
Okay. So let's suppose if you want to find out value from left side of a lookup value, can you do it using the VLOOKUP formula?
Yes sir.
Okay. So do we use VLOOKUP from left to right or right to left?
Left to right.
Left to right. Okay. Then how you will be able to identify if we are using VLOOKUP on a lookup value, but the value which we want to get, it is on the left side. For example, we have column A, B, and C. Your lookup value in column C but the value you want to get is in column A. Can you find it using VLOOKUP?
Yes, sir.
How?
First, using VLOOKUP formula, sir.
Okay, after this interview, try finding the value from right to left and see if that formula works or not.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. So how much would you rate yourself in journal entries?
4 to 5.
Again, 4 to 5. Okay.
Yes.
So let's check your journal entry knowledge and see how much you know about journal entries. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So what will be my accrual journal entry of expenses?
Yes, sir. Accrued expenses.
Let's suppose I have outstanding expense. What will be my journal
Yes.
entry for that?
Mm, accrued account DR to outstanding amount.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir. Then second entry was outstanding account DR to bank.
Okay. What will be my journal entry if I'll purchase something on credit? For example, let's suppose I purchase raw material on credit. What will be my journal entry?
Raw material account DR to party name.
So instead of raw material, won't we use purchase account,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
What will be the entry for payment to creditors?
Entry for credit amount.
What will be my journal entry of payment to creditors?
Payment to creditor.
Hmm.
Bank account DR to creditor account.
You are paying creditor or receiving money from creditor?
In this entry, we receive amount from creditor.
We receive amount from creditor or we pay amount to creditors?
Sir, we pay amount. I am sorry, sir. I am again telling the entry
Mm-hmm.
uh, for credit payment.
Mm-hmm.
मतलब creditor account DR to bank.
Okay. Okay. That is right. So what is accrued expenses?
Accrued expenses are like we accrued expenses are like payment credit मतलब purchase of सामान purchase of items at credit.